Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 days of sales on Poshmark after I've been gone a week and had my store on vacation mode, and I'll talk a little bit more about that. All right, so I'm back from vacation mode. I had my store on vacation because I was out of town for about 5 days, and so I had it on vacation mode. Anytime you put your store on vacation mode, it always says not for sale, but you can still share and all of those kinds of things, and people can share your stuff and comment and all of that. But anyway, so these are my sales after that. We'll get right into it. New with tags, Merona, medium black fold-over boy swim shorts. I sold those. Those came out of a liquidation box for $1. My earnings were $7.25. I'm giving you my earnings price, not what it sold for. It actually sold for $12, but after shipping, after Poshmark fees, I get $7.25. I paid $1, so I'm going to write $6.25 for actual profits. I paid myself back for what I purchased the item for, and then I move on to what's my actual profit. Then I've got this CJ Banks sleeveless zipper hooded jacket. That one was $1 out of a liquidation box. My earnings were $7.25, so another $6.25 goes into my pockets. Then I've got this women's Chelsea rain boots, a new day waterproof, size 7. I've got some more of these, so if you're interested in it, check out my Poshmark store. Those I earned $11.80. I actually paid $7 a piece for those, and so 7 minus the $11.80, I'm at $4.80 for those brand new pair of really cute Chelsea rain boots. Then I sold you ever get those liquidation boxes where it's got a bunch of briefs or underwear in it, but it doesn't, like, one of the pairs is missing out of a set or whatever? So I just took it all out of the box, took a very good picture. They're all still brand new, never been used, but one was missing out of the box of 5, so I sold it as a set of 4 instead. And so that was basically $1 out of a liquidation box. $3.25 is what I earned, so $2.25 is what you earn. So if you get a liquidation box that has a bunch of intimate undergarments that are just kind of piecemeal, you can make your own set, so that's a good idea to do. I've got this adorable new with tags emoji backpack with 3 pockets. $2.25 is what I earned. I actually paid $2 out of a liquidation box for that, so I'm at actually 25 cents for profit on that. Backpacks is going to be something that's going to be really popular coming up pretty soon because of back to school. This is a lace lingerie sheer baby doll robe that I paid $1 for. $5.25 is what I earned, and so $4.25 are my actual profits. Then I've got a bundle here of 2 items. I have got a long line lace push-up bra Exhilaration 36B and a pair of Wild Fable vintage style jeans, ones that are already distressed. $12 is what I earned. $2 a piece is what I've got invested into those, and so I'm at $10 for that particular bundle. I always make a lot more money when I bundle items, and so I encourage you as a buyer to buy as a bundle because shipping seems to be cheaper, and then also the seller makes more money that way as well. Even if it's just two items, it's worth all around, everybody gets more money. So this is a new without tags warm essentials leggings. $4.25 are my earnings. $1 is what I paid, so $3.25 is my profit there. And then I have got low-rise briefs right here. Another pack of underwear. $5.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. So $4.25 are my profits on that one. Then I have a bundle again. So I've got a Peppy Exhilaration mini lined bell sleeve romper. That sold for $6. This purse sold for $6. A New Day faux leather crossbody with strap purse for $6. And then for $5, a beautiful casual corner extra small sleeveless top. $8.25 were my actual earnings on all 3 of those items. I have $1, and then I have 50 cents, 50 cents invested. And so I've got $2 invested. $8.25 is what I earned. So $6.25 are my profits there. And then last but not least, I've got a bundle of 3, a full coverage sports bra by JoyLab, size extra large, sold for $8. And then I've got a new with tags Mossimo black high leg bikini, sold for $15. And then I got a JKY Jockey women's high waist panties, sold for $10. After fees and shipping, my earnings were $17.60. $1 a piece is what I've got invested in those. So $17.60 minus my 3 is $14.60. So what I'm going to do on these 2 days of sales is I'm going to add everything up. And remember, this is when I came off vacation mode. So whenever you schedule your vacation, make sure you're back in time to be able to ship the items. And so it's really, really good to make sure you always put your store on vacation mode, because you don't want to delay shipping for somebody who wants it right away. So let me add up these 2 days of sales that I've got from my Poshmark store and tell you how many orders it is, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. We came up with 11 orders for a total of $62.40. Just remember, whenever you do vacation mode, to put things on vacation. If you don't ship your item within 3 days, your customer and you get a notification, hey, how come you haven't shipped this item? And so make sure that wherever you end your vacation mode, that you're able to ship it in the under 3 day mark. That would be really, really preferable for all the Poshmark customers and you as a seller. So hopefully it's been helpful to hear exactly how I put things on vacation mode, and then the 2 days of sales I have after vacation mode. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.